How to cinch your corset as tight as you possibly can using a doorknob. I'm using this doorknob. This is the corset. What's that? Alright, so the top lace would pull the top. I pull as tight as I can. Then the bottom would pull the bottom. I'll pull as tight as I can. So this is as tight as I can do it using my hands. So I would allow the door to do the rest by taking the loops, both of them at the back or on the doorknob, and walk away. It's pulling. Pull. It's pulling. Pull. The door handle isn't going to come off. If it does, it's no fault of your own. It means the door handle wasn't installed properly. Okay, let's see how tight it is now. There. It's much tighter.